Hello, I'm Qiaoling from the Information Extraction and Retrieval team at CareerBuilder. One challenge task in our team is the company normalization task, which links the company names in job postings and resumes to companies in our knowledge base. So we developed a system called Company Depot to support large-scale company normalization using machine learning techniques. Details of the system can be found in our previous KDD papers. In this video, we will briefly show a use case of the system and discuss some challenges and lessons learned in deploying it.
JobFeed is an online job aggregator that is used for labor market analysis and lead generation. One of the very important dimensions of the data are the organizations that post jobs online. There is a lot of variation in the way companies are mentioned in job ads themselves. We use Company Depot to normalize these variants to one canonical entity. This helps our users to zoom in on specific organizations. Additionally, we use the metadata provided by the Company Depot to classify companies by industry and by size.
Hey, I'm Thomas Mahoney. I manage the engineering team that operates company normalization and some other web services at CareerBuilder. I'll quickly be going over some of the operational challenges and later successes that we encountered with Company Norm. First, the early days of Company Norm, the dark ages. At the start, we deployed Company Norm to traditional EC2 servers on Amazon's Elastic Beanstalk platform. Because the first iteration of CNorm was so large and compute intensive, we had to use some of the biggest instance types available, which are quite expensive. We had elastic autoscaling capabilities, but it wasn't very fast because new servers took a long time to come online. This meant that anytime we got spiky traffic, our API returned lots of errors until the new servers had come online to help share the traffic load. We mitigated this some by running more machines at all times, but that made our operational costs even higher, at some points exceeding $10,000 a month just for this one service. So, how did we combat this? We made incremental gains in combating these problems over a period of about 2 years. One easy win was introducing a DynamoDB caching layer. DynamoDB is an AWS key value store, and we use it as a cache so that we never compute the same request twice. Using Dynamo to serve a request is about 100 times faster than using the Company Depot engine. Our customers' traffic patterns are fairly repetitive, and we typically get over 90% cache hits, so this was a huge win for us. We also improved startup times by switching to Docker containers, which start up much faster than traditional EC2 servers, and by cutting the size of the Company Depot index. Lastly, we took our noisiest customer, the team with the spikiest traffic, and helped set them up with a local installation of the Company Depot extraction engine so their traffic patterns couldn't hurt our web service. Lastly, let's talk about the health of the service today. Thanks to all of these changes, the service now runs smooth as butter with almost no downtime. Our monthly costs are down by over 90%, and our response times are a lot faster, which makes our customers happy. Finally, the fat trimming done on the index and startup sequence makes the service easier to run locally, meaning our engineers have an easier time testing and debugging.